Hey guys, Anthropic released their newest model, Opus 4.8. Let's talk about why it is a game changer. So, first, if we talk about the SWE benchmark, which is the software engineer benchmark, it improved the score from Opus 4.7 to 4.8. It improved the score from 64% to 69%. So now, what does that really mean? Does it mean that, Opus 4.8 is accurate 69% of the times when vibe coding and is inaccurate 31% of the times? That will be very, very scary. Actually, that's not what it means. What it really means is, of all the problems that were posted by real programmers, software developers who couldn't solve it, and they posted, think of it that they posted on some forum internet, right? Those tough problems, right? So Opus 4.8 took 100 of such problems and solved 69 of them in the first try without any human intervention or human help. So, so this is amazing. This is like crazy, right? So that that's one thing. Two, if you look at computer use, which is like, you use your browser today, right? For agent, for as a human, you use your browser for so many tasks, right? Opus 4.8, Cloud Code Opus 4.8 can do 84% of those browser tasks which humans can do, right? Example, you want to book a ticket, you want to order grocery, you know. So these are examples of tasks which 84% of those tasks Opus 4.8 can do on its own, right? That's not a small thing, by the way. That's a big thing, right? Now, if you look at some of the other things, it has dynamic workflows now, meaning it can actually create multiple sub-agents, right? Which can then kind of break down your task and do multiple tasks can be done at the same time by creating multiple of these workflows or agents, sub-agents, right? Now, there's a super agent benchmark, which which tasks these agents, right? These AI agents against 5 tasks. Not going into details, uh, the Opus 4.8 is the first model which actually passed all the 5 tasks, right? Now, we talked about the coding benchmark, we talked about the super agent benchmark, we talked about dynamic workflows, we talked about computer use, which is the browser use, right? Let's talk about the honesty upgrade. Opus 4.8 is 4 times less likely to let its own mistakes slip by. So that's a huge jump actually. So guys, this is the time, right? I've been saying this for some time. AI will keep improving exponentially, right? This is what some 40 odd days between 4.7 and 4.8, right? So that's what like a month plus, right? And you have drastic improvement. So imagine, the important thing is you need to start using it. You need to be part of the game, right? You cannot be in this on the sidelines, right? And then obviously, um, the tools will keep getting better and better. Today itself, it is amazing, right? For vibe coding, for music create. I mean, I'm talking about generally AI now, right? Not necessarily just 4. Opus 4.4 or 4.8, not necessarily just Opus 4.8 or Claude Code. I'm just talking about AI in general. I've created amazing music. I've created amazing like short films using AI. I've I've used it to write essays and write almost a book writing, stories, short stories. I've used it for creating some amazing apps, right? So these are like, these were all unthinkable almost year, 2 years ago, right? Today, you could just do amazing work using AI.